Hey, my name is Galia and this video for Ajax Plumbing and Heating Corp. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring you in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video, you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. So as you see, I'm on your homepage site and you guys need more content because Google loves content and it should be like more than 1500 words with the right keywords, and the pictures need to be saved in the correct way. What I mean by that, if we open here, see you have a numbers. If here will be like keywords, it will be much better for you. So the second thing I want to talk about is the citation. So if we come here, we can see Google guaranteed and ads, and then we see these ads. But these ads nowadays, a lot of people have ad blockers, so they don't really see it. And then here we can see the map pack. So what is a citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services. Within there, it would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on the maps here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in. And you want to go out and get yourself listed in there as well, but you don't want to just stop whatever they have. You want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks. So, and that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And as we see here is a Yelp, and then we see this expertise here. We see the Home Advisor. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. So if you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had sent you a link and you did some work for them and you did a good job, and they send you a link, but their whole website is all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff, it's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of my tools here, it's called Ahrefs. It's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. So as I see here, you have 28 referring domains. That gives you 143 backlinks, and you're getting found for 58 keywords, and out of those keywords you have 47 people on average to your site each month. So let's say one of your competitors here, just then you have a picture. So see, they have 713 referring domains that give them more than 3,000 backlinks. They're getting found for 26,000 keywords, and out of those keywords they're getting more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. So to boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in this. And so that's pretty much it, what I had today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did, that would be awesome. And thanks again and have a great day.